In this video, I will explain how the new editing grids work for each section of your website. To make the process of managing your services, products, special offers, and other menus easier, we've created these grid pages that display all of your items in one place. You can edit multiple items at one time using these grids and then press Save to publish all the changes at once. What you're seeing here is my services grid, which displays all of the services that are offered on my website. You may need to scroll down to see all of your services shown. At the top of the page here are your grid filters. The Filters section allows you to select what settings and items you want to view and edit. Right now, I have the basic settings pulled up, but I can click on Booking Rules or All Settings to see additional options. When I click this button, the grid will reload with all settings shown. On the Services page, these additional settings are useful when using the Salon Builder appointment booking system. I'm going to click back to basic settings for the rest of the video, but make sure you view all the settings on your different grids. On the right side of the page, you can choose to sort your items by clicking here. You can also export, print, or post your services to Facebook using these buttons. In this section, you can select what services you want to view below. For example, if you choose a category from this drop-down, the grid will only show services that are in that category. Once you've selected the settings and filters that you want, you can click the Close Filters button here to hide this upper section. That will give you more room to view the services in your grid. To make changes to a service item, all you need to do is click or tap the item you want to update. If I wanted to change the name of this item to Full Leg Wax, I would just click into the field and type the word wax at the end. To edit the description of this item, I can click on the zoom icon and a small text editor will appear with the current description shown. Most items in the grid are described at the top here. However, some items you need to roll your mouse over or tap to see the details of what that tool does. You may have noticed that as soon as I made a change to an item in my grid, the Save button started flashing and changing colors. This indicates that the changes you made have not yet been saved, and you need to click the Save button to publish. We recommend you save every so often to make sure you do not lose your work in case your internet goes down or you accidentally navigate to a different page before you press save. If you'd prefer to edit your service item using a more familiar editing tool, you can click on this Edit Service Details button to go to a page with all the settings for that item shown, like the older Salon Builder tools used to work. You can also use the Copy Services button to quickly create a duplicate service, and then make changes to the new service item using the grid or the detailed editor. For adding a totally new service or category, use the buttons up here. The grid pages in each section of your website work the same way as the Services Grid does, with variations based on the content that you are managing. Just make sure that once you finish your updates, you press Save to publish all of your changes.